Well, that's the cool part about it. You don't have to do anything.
Nothing at all?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Well, if you're sending out emails, to 50 or more different people, it's quite time consuming because you got to sit down and you do each one of those individually. Whereas doing it with the text is just, again, you don't have to do anything. It's just automatically going out for you. So there's a huge time difference. There's a huge difference there because, again, it's going to their phone, which is more in their face, versus an email sitting in a box that they may not look at for days. Immediate response. The information is automatically populated into the notes in the system. If they reply, then that automatically goes into the notes, and then we're going to be getting an email letting us know that the customer replied to that text. Pretty much the same day. I don't know exactly what time they're going out in the morning, but once we get rolling at 8 o'clock, the phones start ringing. Oh, it's been incredible. We've had a really positive feedback on it. People are constantly coming in and saying, "Hey, thanks for the text. Thanks for the text." I'd recommend it to every storage facility.